Hello everyone, in this quick tutorial video, I'm going to show you how to block any YouTube channel or hide any channel from your YouTube newsfeed here. First of all, you need to go to any browser and open the youtube.com here. And if you want to block any channel, just go to the three dot option here and under the video here, as you can see. So this is a channel called Beluga here. So if I don't want to see this in my newsfeed here or block this channel, just click on it. And if you go down here, you will see an option called don't recommend this channel here. So if I click on the don't recommend channel here, as you can see, it says that we won't recommend videos from this channel to you again. So this channel is not going to be showing up in my newsfeed here. So if I just refresh the YouTube here, so that channel is blocked now. So if you want to see this channel again, like you just accidentally block the channel here and you want to see the channel here, just search the channel name again. And as you can see, the channel is here and you can watch it from here. So this channel, if you watch this video on the channel here, this channel will be again in the newsfeed here, and you just have to again block the user from the don't recommend this channel here. So that's it guys, this is how you hide any channel or block any channel from your YouTube here. So if you found this video helpful, please subscribe to this channel and thank you for watching.